This video is going to be how to tell if you have a real KEIHIN racing carburetor rather than a copy or a fake. Now, a while back I got into an argument with a gentleman who wanted to say my 28mm was fake. And for a while I was a little bit scared there because these fake companies have gotten very sophisticated, and they will get better in the future thanks to computers. The first thing I would look at, and we'll do this quickly, and not quickly, but we'll go through it, is look at the box. Okay, and I got this from a neighbor of mine. I did some two-stroke work, and he had one of these that he didn't want, so I took it off his hands. You want to check your part number and your description. You want to make sure that it doesn't say fits a KEIHIN carburetor or something like that. Then you want to check the rest of the box for the KEIHIN, any reference to here, and this says KEIHIN genuine parts. All right. Now this little mark is important. I'll tell you why here. Anyway, let's get to the. Let's take this out here. You want to look at every little thing because fakers are getting better and better and better at this. And it's unfortunate, but that's the way it is. You want to look at the your pick ticket in here, and also there's a couple things. A real KEIHIN carburetor will come with this really neat off-road use only, and you can see it's written in English, and it looks like Canadian. And then they threw in a couple of really nice chrome stickers, decals. They're decals, not stickers. Okay. If you ever go onto eBay or wherever and you want to find some really cool Honda or any other type of stickers, don't look for stickers. Always punch in decals, D-E-K-A-L-S, because that's where you'll find them. All right. One side note, I'm going to put this down here with this box, is that some of my subscribers, you will notice that my thumbnails are more interesting than they were. I have gone back into my archives of all the bikes that I've built in the last 10 or 11 years on YouTube, and I've taken pictures and I've been able to downsize them because I've got a daughter that's she knows how to use a computer. And I'm using those as my thumbnails. So I hope you like those pictures. Matter of fact, what I'm starting to do, come on damn it, is I'm starting to use my Nikon here and take pictures of things that I'm doing and using the medium setting instead of the ultra fine. The reason I use the ultra fine setting is because if you have an ultra fine picture, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can do a lot of things. But if you have an ordinary set picture, that's all you got. You can't do too much with it. All right, now, first of all, I've dealt with a lot of copies and a lot of real carburetors. All right, I've noticed a few things about them, about the fake ones and the real ones. And I've dealt with KEIHIN, I believe that's how they spell it, and I've dealt with Mikuni. All right, now we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of this. I probably should have taken these off and these things off, but okay, this is going to be part 2.